Hi, my name is Colin Parker, and a great tip for using LinkedIn is to use the tags to sort your database. Now, why this is such a good reason is we want to use our database and we want to use people in that database in different ways. And so LinkedIn allows us to use tags, which is like a sorting system, to be able to put people in categories and groups. So for example, we want to treat people differently. So people in our network, we probably want to contact a little less frequently than people who are prospects and our ideal buyers. So we want to use these tags to sort people out. And I'll use the tags to sort by industry, to sort by where they live, the city. I might sort them into local businesses versus distance businesses. So that way, if I'm running a class locally, I can only send messages to those people who are local who might be interested in that. Let me give you an example. The other week I got a message on LinkedIn about an event that was happening, and the event was for business women in Salt Lake City. Well, you can see because this is video, I'm not a woman. And second thing, I'm not in Salt Lake City. So the problem is this person sent it to me and they really didn't look to see where I was, obviously not my gender, and they sent me an irrelevant message. And what that tells me of that person is they really don't care. They're just sending a blast message out to as many people as possible. You don't want to be that person. So what you want to do is use tags. And in the rest of this video, we'll show you how to add a tag, how to take a tag away, and how to sort by tags and to be able to add them to your LinkedIn connections.
So let's take a look at how you add tags to a profile. So we're going to go to our connections. And now you can see on the connections that there's tags listed along here. So if I wanted to pull up, for example, a list of all the people that have a certain tag, I can do that. Let me just go to Fritjof's profile here. He's a friend of mine, and so I can mess with his profile and change a few things. So if you want to remove a tag, I can come in here, press that little tag button, and then I can just uncheck certain buttons. I can remove them. If I want to add a tag, I do it the same way. I go into tag, and I click on the one I want to add, and you can see that up here those tags are being added. Now if one of the tags I want isn't listed or I haven't created it, I can always add a new tag, type it in here, and go I know my friend Fritjof Dragon Boat, so I could add that as a category, and you see it's all checked off. And that's how you do those tags. Now, you'll also notice when you click on the tag button, if I scroll down, there's the ability to manage tags. And if I click on it, it allows me to edit or delete any tags. And you just click on the pencil, and I can change that. Or if I really want to get rid of one of the ones I added, like the Dragon Boater, I can just actually click this X, and that will delete it. And what you'll see, if I close this, is you'll see it's also removed it from Fritjof's profile. Now, if I'm also searching for people, I come up here to this filter, and I can search by tag, and then I can just pick whatever tag I want, and that will have that list of people come up. And so it's really quick and easy to use tags. If I just want to look for all the local people, I'm just going to click on this tag, and it'll pull all the local people up. I don't have to sort them, don't have to use any advanced sort methods. I'm just going to go in and pick that tag. And the time to tag people, it's best to tag people when they first join your network. It makes it easier to do. Thanks for joining us for this tip.